To install Python on your Windows, just go to python.org, go to download section, and here you will find Python version 3.14 and click on it. You will see your download will start here, and after finishing download you just click on the file, and here just click Python and minimize the windows. Here you will find that we have already installed previous version, so it shows upgrade version. So I'm upgrading my Python. Here the setup progress is about to complete and it's successful. Then close it and now open it by using IDLE, integrated development language environment, and open it, and we have to see some statements like print hello world. It will show some output like hello world, so it's output statement. Just save it. I'm saving it with the demo.py. Py is the extension of the Python file. It recognizes the Python file. Okay, now go to run and go to run module, and here you will see the output hello world is showing here. And you can also interact directly because Python is an interactive language also, so you can directly type print statement and type your statements that you want to print, and you will see hi here. Thank you.